I had 2 independent mechanics check the door bottoms, rockers, frame, and exterior of the car for me. This Galaxie was the personal car of the owner of a local restoration shop, so when he restored it in 2002, he did everything.
Perfectly clean.
It's been in storage for a few years, so before starting it, we cleaned the carburetor, flushed the fuel lines, changed the fuel pump, fluids, did all that stuff to make sure it was ready. Although the Galaxie is in Canada now, this was originally a US car. The owner of the restoration shop brought it up in the 90s and made it his own. He was particular and paid attention to details.